Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this ballerina core workout. I always use my FlexSpace TheraBand for my foot exercises before I do any ballet class. I love the convenience and the variety each FlexSpace bands kit comes with. Each purchase of these Flex bands comes with one black mesh carrying pouch, 2 latex loop bands, 1 turquoise long TheraBand, 1 turquoise fabric loop band, and 1 black section band. I love how travel friendly and easy to use these bands are. I always carry these bands in my dance bag wherever I go, and I of course have a discount code for you guys, so don't forget to use Jasmine10 at checkout for $10 off your Flex bands. I will be using this turquoise loop band for the majority of today's workout. Use this as an option, but it is definitely more challenging than not using a loop band at all. We're starting on our elbows for some bicycles, so driving one knee to your nose and switching from one foot to the next. With this band, it's 10 times more difficult. Trust me, I'm feeling this the next day after. As always, 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Make sure your belly button's moving towards your spine. You're keeping your spine in one long line from the top of your head to the base of your tailbone. Keep going. Take a quick 10-second rest. While you're waiting, keep the band on your feet. For the next one, we're going to be starting with one knee to our nose, just pulsing it 20 times towards our nose. Knee drives for 20 seconds, keeping the resistance of the band at all times. Don't let it not be taut. And let's switch sides. For the next one, we're going to be rolling the band down to our ankles, pointing our toes, rotating our hips. We're just going to be lowering our legs down and back up. Feel free to take your hands underneath your glutes for some support for your lower back. 40 seconds, let's go. Next one, we open our legs as much as we can against the band, lift our head and our neck, thread our hands through our legs, and pulse up for 40 seconds. Keep going. Think of almost tucking your tailbone underneath and lifting your bum off the floor, much like when we do butterfly sit-ups, which we will be doing shortly. Let's go for some bicycle crunches with the band on our feet. Point your toes, lift your knees, and open them to the sides in a little butterfly, and we just do single toe taps, so lowering one leg down and back up, keeping the rotation. Lift your head and your neck off the floor for an extra challenge. Let's go for some butterfly sit-ups. You guys know the drill. On the exhale, we bring our knees to our elbows, lift our seat, and on the inhale, we tap our toes down and our head and our neck. Exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, release it all down to the floor. Keep your back flat. Don't let the arch in your back happen. We don't want any space behind our lower back and the floor. Let's go for a nice and simple bear hold. Hands under our shoulders, knees under our hips, tuck your toes under, lift your shins to be parallel to the floor. Nice strong core. Take a quick 10-second breather. The next one, we're either on our elbows or on our hands for an extra challenge. Take your feet on a chair or on some blocks. We do double knee taps, so tapping our knees down and up in a regular high or low plank. Let's keep going. Swing your legs around. Let's finish off with a beautiful V hold. Make sure you have one line from the top of your head to the base of your tailbone. For an extra challenge, extend your knees, point your toes in front, cross them in 5th position, and we'll switch 5th positions in 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the other leg in front in 5th position. Keep it. You're almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a great rest of your day. Stay safe and happy dancing. Bye now.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start